Guys, finished our shopping. Nagpa-counter na si Sophie. Ipapakita ko na lang sa iyo guys sa bahay pag dating namin kung anong mga nabibili namin. Hi guys! Sophie Pinay Channel again! We are outside and you know where we go. Guess where? Mamimili si Sophie. And Pinay din. Diba? Guys, okay naman ngayon maglabas-labas na pero kailangan naka-mask pa rin tayo.
Don't forget, and you're new here, like, subscribe, share. Don't forget.
Yes, don't forget guys.
And don't skip the ads.
Yes. Ads is important.
Yeah.
Guys, magwe-winter na. Feel na namin ang lamig. At saka ang lamig ng Pasko. On our way to where we go? Guys, dadalhin ko kayo sa bagong bukas na market dito. Fashion. Dito tayo mamimili. At pakita ko sa inyo mamaya ang kaloob-looban ng fashion na to. Guys, nakapili na ako guys. Sweatshirt guys, pang winter. Ngayon guys, dito tayo sa taas. That is big for Sassy.
What do you mean? I'm not the boy.
Guys, daming paninda dito guys. Oh, ang gaganda guys. We go other side for you. This is all for ladies. We go other side. Guys, oh, daming magagandang damit guys. Here guys, oh, this all for the ladies. We are now looking for Sophie. See, Sophie, try to check. Here have the jeans. Oh, guys, finished our shopping. Nagpa-counter na si Sophie. Ipapakita ko na lang sa iyo guys sa bahay pag dating namin kung anong mga nabibili namin. Guys, Sophie Pinay Channel again and again. Come back. Now we come out from the shopping. We are in the car and we are hungry. And next we have our snacks. This is a chicken pop and the tea and the juice for Sophie. Then, guys, don't forget
Like, subscribe, and share.
and
Don't skip the ads. Guys.
welcome back, Sophie and Pinay. Guys, we will show you what we buy today. First is
Jacket.
it's a jacket. See guys, jacket for mommy.
And jeans for me.
Jeans for Sophie. Open the jeans. Jeans for Sophie.
Okay, here you go. And shoes for mommy.
Shoes for Pinay.
Shoes for mommy. And a jacket for me.
This for Sophie jacket. Make it properly. It's
So
a nice jacket because guys, it's winter here na. So it's start to buy our winter suit.
Cold. And
Another
jeans.
jeans. It's for Sophie again.
Sophie. Put it there. And 1, 2, 3.
T-shirt.
jacket.
Open. Show the design. It's a t-shirt.
I have one more.
What else?
Another one. It's another one.
Yeah, it's a 2 t-shirts, same design, but one
Different colors.
different colors.
Socks for mommy.
Yeah, socks for me because it's winter na.
And another clothes for me.
And a t-shirt mango for Sophie.
And this is a
That's it,
plastic.
guys.
Wait, guys, I have something to show you.
And one more, guys, the shoes for Sophie still on charging. And dang dang. Christmas shoes. Then in the night, Sophie walking with a Christmas light.
Christmas light. Boink, 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 boink. It's still on charging, guys.
That's all, guys, what we buy. And